All right, let's go on all of them. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
let's
want to
go.
go on the dragon ride too.
Everything's 5 minutes. The weekdays are much better than a weekend. Weekends haven't been bad either, but it's a little bit busier. So when you walk in, you got the grand carousel. You got this ride that the kids have to be taller for. And then you got Duplo Valley over here. Okay, second ride is the little tractors. Third is the Duplo train. Lego Movie World has 3 rides.
And then when you let go of your hand, I was so proud.
They have Unikitty up here. There's Unikitty. There's the Masters of Flight. It's like kind of like soaring but more nauseating. Cannons, you can shoot water at people, and this sprays water everywhere. So it looks really fun. We hope to come back and do it another day. In Lego Kingdoms, we have the dragon roller coaster, and then also the jousting with the horses, and Merlin's Challenge, which is like this is like a spinny ride. You just spin really fast. Closed. So sad. Here is the Royal Joust, and you have to be between 4 and 12 years old to do this. So there is a age and a height restriction. They have the Beetle Bounce and Lost Kingdom Adventure. We're gonna do both. Safari truck in here. Hey, are you ready to see some animals, Pumpkin?
Yeah.
All right, let's go look.
I got a lollipop.
Yeah, she did get a lollipop. Ooh, elephants, hippos. What else we got, Pumpkin? Oh, monkey.
Hey, look.
Some elephants, and there's Buddy and Daddy.
It's sprayed water.
It is. There's some antelope. And ostriches. Oh, and there's a baby giraffe right behind that.
Look, it's ostriches.
That's so cute. Oh, there's a mommy giraffe. So cute. And then we got lions coming up.
Oh no.
Oh no, they're gonna eat us. Here. Hi. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going on Coaster Taurus. Velocicoaster is Ninjago. Let's go ride that. Sometimes the queue lines have some fun interactive things too. Dance, dance, dance! Normally they have Legos you can play with too in the lines, but right now they have most of them up. Whoa, cool. We have to shoot at the screen.
Against ghosts, use lightning!
We're headed to the Lego City. Over here is the stage. Sometimes they have shows. They have a little burger joint, and then we got some rides down here in the city. Boating school. I guess you actually steer the boats. And right next to it is driving school. There's two kinds, the one for toddlers and one for bigger kids. This one's from 3 to 5, and they steer and hit the gas. Okay, here's for the bigger kids. And this is like another little truck. It looks a lot bigger. Up the ramp, there's the driving school, and then we got the flying school. Pumpkin's never been on this. Pumpkin, how was it?
I loved it!
You loved it? Your first big coaster.
And the lap bar made a fart noise.
Okay, we're gonna let the kids have a little treat. And we brought some snacks with us too. See, they got single, they got scoops, sundaes, toppings, ice. There's iced coffee. Oh, look. They got Breyers. Vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, butter pecan, cookie dough. Okay, so we got a strawberry sundae with sprinkles.
Chocolate with M&M's.
Yes, and chocolate with M&M's.
I want to try the cherry.
Oh, eat the cherry. Hey, Pumpkin, now you've eaten most of it. How is the sundae? Good? Is that the best sundae? All right, good job. What about you, buddy? Was your M&M sundae good? Okay, good job. And we brought some ham with cream cheese and some chips, some other snacks in case they're still hungry. This is like a little, you have to put the fire out, little fire truck ride. Over here in this city area, we got Technic, the Lego race, and then there's a water one down here. So it looks like you pedal and then you go up higher and then you spin. You have to be 36 inches for this one. Here's another spin type one, but on water. And then over here is the Lego race. This is like a big drop up here. Hold on, Daddy. And here they go. Here's this the Lego race VR. You have to be 42 inches, I believe. But the VR is not available right now. the Lego city, but it's under construction right now. They're building a canopy over it, which will be really nice in the summer. As you can see, towards the end of the day, there's like nobody here. Everything's a walk-on during the weekdays anyway. It's not busy at all. Now we are back to the front, and this is the carousel. The kids love being on the top floor. And then over here is the Maya's horse ride. The horse ride is in Heart Lake City and Lego Friends. And you can pick a horse to ride, and then it just sways you back and forth. And finally, this is the larger playground. There's a couple different smaller outside ones. This is the larger one. Yes, you are. You're so strong.